Hello, welcome friends. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Rio Grande. In the northern part of the Villages, we have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom Corpus Christi model home offered at $250,000. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Rio Grande in the northern part of the Villages. We have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home. It is a Corpus Christi model. It has a 2-car garage. The AC was replaced in the year 2018. The water heater was replaced in the year 2024. And the roof was replaced in the year 2023. I will start by taking a view of the street. The front of the home does face southeast. As I pan to the right, that is facing east, friends. Panning to the left, that is facing west. You can see it is located on a quiet street. As I walk up to this home, it has a very deep setback. It does have a 2-car garage. Very mature landscaping in very good condition. It is a wood-framed home. As always, friends, if you have any questions, please contact your listing agent, Jenna Wood at Realty Executives. That is her contact information. As I walk up to the front of this home, I do see the concrete pathway is in very good condition. That's a better view of your roof line. That roof is in very good condition. The front of this home does have a front seating area as well, right there. Let's go inside and take a look. As I stand in the foyer area, I do notice the foyer does have tile floors. The living area has carpeted floors as well. It does have acoustic textured ceilings. This home is list priced at $250,000. It is 1,383 square feet. This kitchen does have granite countertops. Very beautiful wood cabinets. It has an electric range as well. It has a tile backsplash. Very nice. 2-bowl sink. Spin around, I'll show you the rest of those cabinets. Off to the side of the home, you do see a laundry area. Has cabinets. That is a solar tube right there. That is a laminate floor in this laundry area. It has a 2-car garage right there. Your laundry is in the garage right there. There is your hot water heater. Possibly could put the laundry area there. Off to this side of the home is the primary bedroom. It has carpeted floors, acoustic textured ceilings. Very neutral paint on this home. This home is located in the village of Rio Grande in the Villages, Florida. That primary bathroom does have tile floors, Formica countertops. There's your linen closet. It has glass door on a corner shower. That shower is also tiled right there. That is a tiled shower, friends. That is your commode space. Here is your linen closet right there. Very wide linen closet. It even has a tile surround that mirror. Very nice. Now I will walk and show you that walk-in closet in the primary bedroom area. This is a large walk-in closet. It does have carpeted floors, acoustic textured ceilings, wire rack shelves as well. And now I will exit this home. I will take... Here I'm walking back into that living area and dining area. This home is in very good condition. I'll give you a panoramic view of that kitchen. This home does have a Florida room. There is carpeting in that Florida room as well. It is a temperature control. There is your HVAC system in that Florida room. You do have tile floor right there that leads out into the lanai area. I will walk out into that lanai area and show you what it has to offer. Here I am in the lanai area, and this home does face northwest. The back of the home faces northwest. Very large lanai. Concrete patio floor. They do have a small area of brick pavers there. You do see a very large bird cage, and the screens appear to be in good condition on this bird cage. So you have a covered section of the lanai, a roof there, and you have a bird cage, which is really nice. Let's take a walk to the back of this home. The back of this home does face northwest. That is Morse Boulevard there, friends. And I will give you a panoramic view of this home from the back. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. This home would be a very good investment property. As always, contact your listing agent, Jenna Wood, and Realty Executives if you have more questions about this home. I will walk through this home, and I will walk back out into the street and give you one last view of this home. That is your side yard there, friends. Air conditioner. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Let's take a walk back through this home. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I'll take a walk back out into that street. I will show you very large seating area in the front of this home. It does face southeast. Look at the large, deep setback on this home. Very nice. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. As always, please contact your listing agent, Jenna Wood, with Realty Executives here in the Villages. I will walk out to that street. I will show you another view of this home. This home is list price for $250,000. It is located in the village of Rio Grande. AC 2018, water heater 2024, new roof 2023. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood frame Corpus Christi model home. Great for investment, great to live in. Thanks for liking. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Rio Grande, in the Villages, Florida. This 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom Corpus Christi model is offered at $250,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.